Directions. Read and listen to the information on the Chinese way of life and answer the questions in the blue boxes on slides 2 through 4. Before we begin reading, we're going to review the questions that we need to answer on this page. Number 1. In the text, circle the names of the founders of each Chinese philosophy. So you will drag the red circles to the 3 different founders of each philosophy. Number 2. Why is a system of examinations a good way to choose government officials? And you will type your answer in the blue text box. Chinese philosophies. Between 500 BC and 200 BC, Chinese thinkers developed 3 major philosophies. They were Confucianism, Taoism, and legalism. The philosophies were different from each other. However, they had the same goal. Each philosophy aimed to create a well-run and peaceful society. Confucianism. The founder is Confucius. The key ideas: people should put the needs of their family and community first. Taoism. The founder is Laozi. Key ideas: people should give up worldly desires in favor of nature and the Tao, the force that guides all things. Legalism. The founder is Confucius. The key ideas: society needs a system of harsh laws and strict punishment. Confucius was born about 550 BC to a farming family. He lived during a time when kings were often fighting each other. Confucius believed people should follow the beliefs of their ancestors. He also taught that everyone had a duty. Rulers had a duty to lead their people wisely. Children had a duty to respect their parents. Parents had a duty to love their children. Confucius believed that if everyone did their duty and followed traditional beliefs, there would be peace. He also believed that all men should be able to serve in the government. This led to a system of examinations to choose government officials. Confucius was honored as a great teacher. After his death, his teachings, called Confucianism, spread across China. Like Confucianism, Taoism aimed to create a peaceful society. It began with the ideas of Laozi. Confucius thought people should work hard to make the world better. Taoism taught people to turn away from society and live in harmony with nature. Tao means the way. Laozi and his followers believed Taoism was the way or path to a better life. Many Chinese followed both Confucianism and Taoism. Confucius introduced the ideas of legalism during the 200s BC. Unlike Confucius and Laozi, he believed that humans are naturally evil. He thought only strict laws and harsh punishment would get people to do what they should do.